Home Buyer Education, Section 3, Understanding Credit. Understanding credit. How to use your credit wisely. American economy runs on credit. When lots of goods and services are sold, you are encouraged to make payments over time so you will buy more now. Lenders make loan decisions based on credit history. Your creditors report your payment history to credit reporting agencies. CRAs assign a credit score or risk score based on a mathematical formula. Loan underwriters use credit scores and other factors in deciding to give loans. Credit regulations and legislation. The Equal Opportunity Act, ECOA. Consumer Credit Protection Act, 1968. Fair Credit Reporting Act, 1971. Fair Credit Billing Act, 1975. Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, 1978. Fair and Accurate Credit Transaction Act, FACT Act, or FACTA, 2003. Credit Card Accountability, Responsibility, and Disclosure, CARD, or Credit Card Act of 2009. Sources of credit. Traditional sources: banks and credit unions, credit cards, major finance corporations, GMAC and GE Credit. Non-traditional sources: check cashing, payday loans, rent-to-own businesses, pawn shops, car title loans, quick refund tax services. Establishing a credit record. Types of transactions that are reported to credit bureaus for your credit record. Bank loans. Most car loans from major lending companies, not companies that self-finance, where you make payments to the car salesman. Loans from credit unions. Credit cards. Things that usually do not show up on the credit bureau report. Rent payments, utility payments, non-traditional sources of credit, cash payments. Some lenders will consider additional information if your credit record isn't established. Letters from landlords. Letters from other places where you have made regular timely payments. Letters from non-traditional lending sources, if you can get one. Rent-to-own store car title loans. Correcting and improving your credit score. Your credit report may be wrong, or you may be able to improve it. Common mistakes on credit records. Steps to rebuilding your credit score. Ask your bank for a passbook savings loan. Correcting and improving your credit score. Your credit report may be wrong, or you may be able to improve it. 1 in 4 credit reports contain an error. Obtain your free annual copy of your file and check it periodically. Credit counselors will help you obtain your credit history and rebuild your credit. Common mistakes on credit records. Information in your file is from someone else with the same name. Former spouses appear on credit records. The balance listed is incorrect. Unauthorized inquiries into your credit are listed. Steps to rebuilding your credit score. Request a copy of credit record. Review record and make sure everything is accurate. Pay off all past due accounts. Write an explanation letter to become part of your permanent file. Negotiate with the creditors to get negative information cleared. Add positive information to the file. Not all info gets into your file. Establish credit in your own name. Start making payments on time. Work with local merchants to see if they're willing to establish an account for you. Ask your bank for a passbook savings loan. Put some of your savings in passbook savings account. Ask the bank for a loan using savings account as collateral. Make the payments on time. Make sure the bank reports the loan to the CRAs.